What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm still in that really super great Dollar Tree in Wisconsin, and I'm finding all sorts of new items like these super cute Subway surfers. You guys, these sell in Walmart for about $5 each. I'm seeing this little character, it says fresh. I'm seeing this one that says tricky. These are so cute. I'm seeing this one that says Jake. And I'm not sure if we have any others, but I think these go for about $5 in Walmart. So these would be really cute stocking stuffers if you're already thinking about Christmas, or if you're just that type of person that always likes to shop for birthdays. These would be really cute, especially if you have someone in your family that loves to skateboard or fingerboard. Yes, you guys, they are here. And I'm just seeing all sorts of other new items too. We have the little blind bags. I mean, this location is full of blind bags. If you guys missed my very last video, check right here. This location is filled with blind bags, and these sorts of things would be really fun as stocking stuffers. This is the unicorn doll blind bag with one doll inside. And these are some of the possible options that you could end up with. And then we also have some blind bags called, it just says Puppy Friends Club, 8 Arctic baby animals to collect. And it feels like they come with a little home and you get the little animal. These are really, really cute. And look, you guys, play and stack the igloos. Aren't they cute? Super cute. The brand is, it just says Puppy Club's Friend and Cool Things. Made in China. These are really, really cute though. Especially if you have someone in your family that loves blind bags. Yeah, you guys, these are really cute. We also have some brand new squishies. If you have someone in your life that's in love with squishies, we have the apple. We have the big oranges. And yes, you guys, Dollar Tree squishies are really good. Birdy and I have a bunch of them. We have all sorts of fidgets, bracelets. We have the bendy tubes, even more. I showed these in another one of my other videos. The Transformer blind bag, the Hot Wheel blind bag. These are gonna get just totally ripped off the shelves as it gets closer to Christmas, you guys. The little doggy house blind bags. We even have PJ masks, you guys. PJ masks. A lot of these items will just be totally gone the closer it gets to Christmas. So my suggestion is get them now while you have a really good opportunity to pick the things that you want and not just the stuff that's left over. Look at this, Barbie Dreamtopia ice cream unicorn. We have sparkle cake unicorn. These would be amazing stocking stuffers. Lollipop unicorn. Those are so cute, you guys. We have the little doctor kits for $1.25. I had one of those when I was little. I remember loving it so much. We have the little Big Bird felt masks and Oscar. Those are the only two I'm seeing in my location. These are just so cute though. Aww. Those are just so adorable. Wow, you guys. I'm really impressed with a lot of the toys and the blind bags and the things that I've seen in this location. A lot of the crafting items. I'm just really, really happy. Oh my gosh, look at this one, you guys. It's actually metal and it says bride. Maybe you're having a little like bridesmaid trip. Yes, you guys. The bride can wear her pretty crown. We have table numbers from the brand Brides. The letter banner that says congratulations. Little styrofoam coolers for $1.25. Look at the little favor boxes. Those are cute. The treat bags, super adorable. Eat dessert first. Look at the confetti. Ooh, this one's so pretty. It's mostly pink and blue. Love that. And we have red, white, and blue. Yes, you guys, I'm just finding so many cute things in here. Tissue paper. More treat bags with stars. Popcorn bags. These are really tall and nice. They say it's summertime. And hello summer. I never even saw these in any of my other stores. These are really long and nice. They're really big. All the cute curly bows. Someone has the hiccups. Yes, you guys, we have a lot of really nice items in here. Ooh, these are so pretty. The roses. I just saw some official whoopee cushions, and it wasn't the reddish orange color. It was a light blue. Wow, you guys. Ooh. I did show a bunch of ornaments in Dollaree, or the location that one of you likes to refer to as the Bubba Gump Dollar Tree. Yes. Or that Forest and Bubba Dollar Tree. You know the one and you know why. Wow. They have so many in this location that I haven't even seen yet. Like this beautiful one, that is so pretty. I did see this one. It's really pretty. This one I have not seen. This one is gorgeous. I really like that one. Aw, these are so cute. Look at these little snowmen. I like this silver and the gold together. I think it looks really pretty. The large ornaments. Wow, we have even more of the snowmen. They're so cute. Blue and silver. Ooh, and the icicles. The blue icicles. And then we also have the clear icicles. The ballerina. Lots of buffalo check, of course. The deer. This one is new. And it feels fuzzy and soft. I wasn't expecting that at all. Ooh, look at the icicle. It's kind of fuzzy. It's pretty. 2-pack of deer. The trees. I think these little snowmen are new. Again, very fuzzy. Seems like everything I'm grabbing is super fuzzy. Santa with the buffalo check. I've had a couple of you come back that watched some of my Hobby Lobby Christmas ornaments from years ago, and some of you come back every year and you're like, I'm here for the 3rd year or the 4th year. And if that's something you guys really love and you guys want me to do this year, please let me know. If you want me to go into Michael's, or if you want me to go into Hobby Lobby and do ornaments only videos, if I get a whole lot of requests, I definitely will do that for you guys if that's something that you guys would love to see. And usually with those, I don't talk. I usually just put music over it and choose some cozy Christmas music and just make it really fun for you guys. So definitely let me know if that's something you'd like for me to do this year, because I'm here to help you guys. I'm a service channel and I'm here to help you guys, help you find things, help you save time and money. These are all brand new this year, you guys. They're all brand new. I really like this one. I love the non-traditional pinks and pretty greeny blues. But hey, you guys, that's it for this video. I want to see if there's anything else I want to film while I'm in here. I'll probably come back with another one. We'll see. I haven't even looked down the food aisle yet. So if you guys are brand new and you enjoyed yourself, if you love shopping with me here in Dollar Tree, definitely hit the like and consider hitting the subscribe button and joining the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, thanks for shopping with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.